Hi, I'm Susanna Gotsch, and this is our April 2022 CCC Trends report, covering the property and casualty insurance and collision repair industries. This month, we're talking about collision repair and the growing complexity of repairs given the proliferation of new vehicle technology. Anywhere from 20 to 60% of vehicles today have at least one advanced driver assistance system feature. Backup cameras, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, forward collision, the list goes on. These new technologies require repairers to conduct more complex repair operations and diagnostics such as vehicle scan and calibration, leading to increased costs and longer repair times. Even a simple fender bender can mean having to reposition, reprogram, and/or recalibrate systems. A single camera, sensor, radar, or LiDAR system removed or replaced can trigger a domino of more and other needed repairs. Adding further complexity is the wide variability in how both which electronic components are used and how they are set up within the vehicle. This leads also to wide variability in how calibrations are performed. Repairers more than ever rely on OEM service information and scan tools. Finally, these repair operations mean repairers need techs with the right skill sets, which in turn often means higher labor costs. Diagnostic scanning usage has increased 900% over the past several years. The good news is that as the industry continues to evolve and adapt, so do the tools that can bring together scan results and repair methods to help create more efficient, informed repairs. I'm Susanna Gotsch. Visit our website at cccis.com for more.